everybody! I'm here today to tell you and show you how to use a caulking gun. This will be a full tutorial, a complete tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This right here is a caulking gun. It is a simple tool that is used to release the caulking or the caulk inside of a caulking tube. Very, very simple and easy to use. I'm going to show you how to use it. So as you can see right here, what we have, sorry, there's actually something on my lip. I don't know what it is, but all right, we got rid of it. So as you can see right here, this is what it is. It has the spot in here where the caulking tube goes. It has the lever, which pumps this forward. As you can see, whenever I push the lever, this plunger is pushed forward. And the plunger is connected to this end. So as I push the plunger forward, this end moves in. As you can see, very simple, okay? When you want to pull this back, you can't just pull it back. You need to push this thing right here. This lever releases that. You can pull it back or push it forward. So you can move it freely, just like that. As long as that lever is pressed. If you release that lever, you can't move it. You push the lever, you can move it around. Very simple. So how do you actually use it now that we've seen the dynamics of it? Very simple. If you look on this side right here of the caulking gun, there's actually a little hole here, and it's labeled spout cutter. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but it says spout cutter. That's because it's a cutter for the spout. It cuts the spout or the tip of the tube of caulking. Now check this out. When I push the lever, watch inside of there. Whoa, what's that? That is the actual cutting thing, the cutting mechanism. So as I push the lever, the cutting mechanism is coming to cut the spout, okay? Very simple. So you can see right there, when I push the lever, the cutter comes out. So what you want to do is you want to cut open the tip of the tube of caulking. So you're going to put the tip inside of the spout cutter, then you're going to press the lever down, and when you push the lever down, it's actually going to cut the tip of the tube of caulking. Now I don't need to use this right now, so I'm not going to cut it, but once again I would put the tip inside of there and push the lever down, and it would cut it off like that, okay? But there's another seal inside of the tube, so even when you cut the tip or the spout, you need to penetrate or puncture that seal. Now if you look right here, there's actually a little metal piece right there. So this just tucks away behind there, and you can pull it out, and what you do is after you've cut the tip off the tube, you take this metal piece and you use it, you push it down inside of that tube. So this goes inside of the open spout and it pierces through that seal. So now you've opened your tube of caulking, okay? You can tuck that little piece away right there. Now you have to actually get the caulking tube inside of the caulking gun. So we're gonna push this lever, pull this back all the way. We have the maximum space right here. Take your tube, it's actually easy to load, very easy to load. Take your tube, you want to take this open portion right here, you want to slide it inside and around the plunger, so it goes around the plunger. Then what you want to do is make sure it goes around the plunger like that. It goes around the plunger, drop it down, okay? It's around the plunger, drop it down like that. At this point, what you can do is you can start pushing the lever. What's happening is the lever is pushing the plunger inside of the tube, which is forcing out the caulking. Now, all you gotta do is just push it like this much, and you'll notice caulking will come out. Like once the plunger has hit that piece inside, okay, you need to, like little presses like that. That's how you're gonna control your caulking. Little presses. If you go like that, the caulking is going to come flying out. You don't want to do that, okay? I'm going to take this out. So the plunger inside of here, that plunger that we see right there, is actually pushing on this piece right here. And that is forcing the caulking outside of the tip of the tube of caulking, okay? So you continue doing that, you know. You continue going. Imagine this is in place. The plunger's forcing all the caulking out, okay? When it's done, let's say you use the entire tube of caulking. So it's done now, okay? The tube is in the caulking gun. It's done. What you gotta do is simply, because this plunger is now inside of the tube, you can't just take the tube out. Push the lever down, pull the plunger all the way back, and now you can remove the tube of caulking. And you could do the same thing again with the next one. And that's it. Using the caulking gun is very simple. This simple tool will allow you to recaulk a bathtub, a shower, your bathroom, your baseboards, your trim, your windows, your doors. In my opinion, if you are looking to make create like an envelope in your house with regards to the airtightness of it, you gotta caulk everything. Everything has to have caulking on it. And that makes sure that everything is airtight. Vapor barrier, caulking, the wrap, everything. But caulking is unbelievably important with regards to sealing things to prevent water damage and water seepage, and also for sealing things to keep the airtightness in the house. And to be honest with you, it just makes things look more finished and better. Whether you're caulking your kitchen countertop or you're caulking, you're caulking a bathtub, it's for water tightness, water resistance, water prevention and stuff like that, but it's also to make it look great, okay? So do a good job of making it look nice. And that's basically it. That is how to use a caulking gun, a full tutorial, a complete tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.